Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to begin. First, update iOS and sign into iCloud so settings sync. Open Settings and tap Screen Time, then tap Turn on Screen Time. Choose whether this is your iPhone or a child's device. That choice determines which controls appear. Next, create a screen time passcode if you want a lock changes. Once done, you'll see a summary. Make sure Share Across Devices is on to apply limits across your Apple ID. Now move to App and Downtime Controls. Now focus on app-specific controls. Tap App Limits and choose Add Limit. Pick categories like social or games, or drill down to specific apps, then set a daily duration. Use customized days to allow different times on weekends or school days. After adding limits, go to Always Allowed to exempt phone or messages so essential functions remain available. Make sure timers are realistic. Shorter limits encourage focus, while longer ones reduce frustration. Once set, you'll finish by scheduling downtime to block non-essential apps overnight. Go to Downtime and pick Start and End times. Then review content and privacy restrictions if you need web, app purchase, or explicit content controls. Make sure Screen Time passcode is set and Share Across Devices is enabled so limits apply everywhere. If something doesn't work, restart the iPhone, check for iOS updates, or temporarily turn screen time off and on again. That often fixes sync or restriction bugs without losing your configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.